Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I am going to show you guys how to zoom in and out of a video using Adobe Premiere Elements 2019. I am also going to show you how to speed up and slow down clips. I might do another video showing like how to add more effects to videos. So today I'm going to show you how to do zoom, and I'm going to show you how to speed up and slow down a video. So what you want to do is, from the very beginning, we're going to hit Add Media. You're going to go to Files and Folders. Go to your videos or wherever you store your video clips. Pick, for instance, we'll just pick this one. This video is only about 10 seconds long, so it's perfect as far as just editing small clips to it. So what you're gonna do is, starting with the zoom function, let's get out of that. Starting with the zoom function, you're gonna go over here to your tool, go down to pan and zoom, and now it gives you a starting point and an ending point. And if you leave it just like this over this whole period of time, it'll zoom into that ending point. Now, if you wanted to make it where it shot in and then shot back out, what you would do is go to the desired area that you wanted it to move inward. Well, before that, we'll start with number 2. And you're going to drag it as far as you can. It won't allow the full image to be fully figured again, but it's a very small portion on each side, so it's not too bad. And now what we're going to do is, let's say we wanted to add a zoom to this portion right here, but instead of it being centered, we're going to aim it at the face. And we'll start it from the beginning and preview. It shoots straight into that. Now, depending on how long you want it to stay, that we can adjust that. Say you want it to go on for a few seconds, you add another frame. It brings the same size frame down, and you just line it straight up with that one. And if you redo it, it zooms in, stays in for that period of time, and then zooms out. And then when you hit done, it'll go back over here. And when you restart the clip, it'll zoom in, zoom out, and then the rest of the clip will play. I haven't actually dabbled with slowing down the clip and zooming in, so let's try that. We're going to go to time remapping. Now with time remapping, you can slow down or speed up a video. But in this case, we're going to slow it down. So this red CTI right here is where you're going to move it to start the time change. So we'll start right here. Right as it starts to zoom in, you're going to add a time zone. And we'll just slow it down to about a what would that be? .15 times the speed. And then when you slow down a video, you're going to want a frame blend, which is going to smoothen the appearance. So we slowed it down, and we're also going to stretch this out till it starts going back out. Slow it down, frame blend on, and then we hit play. Yeah, it didn't. You couldn't really tell that the speed changed, so we're gonna slow it down even more to about a third. Bring this guy back. Slow it down and back out. So it looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and hit done. It's gonna ask you if you want to remove the audio because it doesn't change the audio speed. So we're gonna hit yes and start it from the beginning. And right there, and there it goes. So that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you could get a lot of information out of it. You can leave any comments if it's not as clear to you as I thought it would be showing this video. But if you enjoyed it, if it helped you out at all, go ahead and leave a like. I'll do some more videos showing more in-depth effects and stuff to that extent. But thanks for the watch, guys. I'm HTX Hokage, part of the Hidden Talents Village.